In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the YouTube app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. First, make sure your computer is connected to the internet and that you're signed in to your Windows account. This will help avoid any permission issues later on. Once you're ready, open the Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking the Start button and typing Microsoft Store, then selecting it from the search results. On Windows 11, you might also see the Store icon pinned directly to your taskbar. When the Microsoft Store opens, look for the search bar, usually at the top of the window. Click inside the search box and type YouTube. Press Enter, and you'll see a list of results related to YouTube. What we're looking for is the official YouTube app or the official Progressive Web app listing, depending on what's currently available in your region. Click on the YouTube result to open its dedicated page in the store. Here, you'll see an Install or Get button. Go ahead and click that. If you're prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account, just follow the on-screen instructions and complete that step. The download will begin automatically, and you'll see a progress indicator. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is finished, you can launch YouTube directly from the Microsoft Store by clicking the Open button. Or, you can close the store and open it from your Start menu. To do that, click the Start button and scroll through your apps list until you find YouTube. Then click it. If you'd like faster access next time, right-click the YouTube icon and choose to pin it to Start or to your taskbar. When the app opens for the first time, you can sign in with your Google account to access your subscriptions, playlists, and watch history. If you prefer, you can also continue without signing in and just browse content normally. Take a moment to resize the window or switch to full screen so it feels more like a dedicated desktop app experience. From now on, you can launch YouTube just like any other program on your PC, without needing to open a browser first. That's all you need to download and install the YouTube app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer.